Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the RangerRob Country Living channel, where we're freezing to death in the Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon? Did I say that right? Snowmageddon?
Whatever.
All I know is it's Saturday. We have a snowstorm, and we gotta get the tractor. We gotta feed the piggies, and it's really, really cold. And Sherry's with me.
I'm here.
Hi.
Hi.
You sure you're Sherry?
I don't know.
So our first accomplishment is I've got to get my scarf, and it's in the truck. And
like 3 degrees out here.
3 degrees?
Yep.
Wow. All right, let's see if I can no. All right, see if I can find it. All right, guys, I found my scarf. Got snow all over the truck. Got to get out to the garage and get a tractor started, because we've got to fill up the piggy stand, well, the holders, and we are going to attempt to get some more hay out to the pigs today too. So all right, here we go. All right, so we got the tractor started. Sherry's backing it out. Gonna go to the truck and grab a couple bags of pig feed, and later on we'll be picking up some hay for the pigs. So here we go. Woohoo. And it's cold. All right, so there's the truck. This is so much fun. Just opened up, and I lied. It's in the RAV4. All right, so we're a little senile this morning too. Sherry looks like she's having lots of fun. All right, RAV4. Alright, there's the food. Let's load her up. Alright, guys, so got the tractor back here, and Sherry's started filling our cans, but the only pig that's come out so far is Desmond over here, but he's a pretty hardy pig. I guess a couple Penny came out too, but yeah, the pigs aren't too eager to come out of their shelters, and I don't blame them. Anyway, guys, let me help Sherry out, get this filled up, and get these pigs fed. Okay, guys, I got half the pigs fed. Everything's super hard. With Maggie, I put her food right by the door, but she didn't want to come out, but she did. Got Penny fed, and now the big piggies are starting to sneak out of their shed, but not very enthusiastic. But I gotta get the food to them. Sherry took the tractor over to the shop to get some more hay. Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and our Snowmageddon, at least the snow stopped coming down, but we got a lot of snow, and so Sherry's going to grab our tractor, and we're going to see if we can't make a little more path for carts and stuff in the back when we're moving food around. So anyway, it's going to be a long and cautious progress, because we're old and frail, and we got to be careful. Anyway, Sherry's opening up the garage, and we're going to get the tractor started, hopefully, and get our piggies fed today. Today's our Sunday. There's a lot of snow out there, and we've been leaving the puppy in because these are just too cold the temperatures and too deep of snow for her. So let's proceed. We've been having trouble with Abby getting snowballs stuck between her paws. So it's uncomfortable for her. So, but she's pretty hardy. All right, we got Sherry set up and ready to go move some snow around to help make a better trail. I'm gonna work my way to the back and let's just see some of our snow here. It is really hard to walk in this, and of course we've got so many layers on, it makes it hard to walk, period. Dogs are having fun, but I worry about Abby because she gets the snow stuck between her paws. But they at the same time have fun. But yeah, hard to walk. So also with the cold, this battery in the camera doesn't last that long, so I'm gonna shut this off until we get to the back. All right, guys, sitting down, catching my breath. It's so hard to walk through all this snow, and managed to get all the pigs fed. They're actually doing very well, but sorry if I look goobery, but yeah, this is really tough. Sherry's trying to make some paths in the snow, and she's doing pretty good. Anyway, but just to walk through this stuff, get these pigs fed is really tough. I'll be glad when the snow goes away. I'll be really glad when we get past winter. But anyway, we're hanging in there, doing the best we can. It's amazing how tough these pigs are. Here's all the pigs in their paddocks over here are doing good. We're putting their bowls a little closer to their shelters. Desmond, he's a hardy little bugger. And the baby feeders, they're pretty tough too. They don't come out until they're ready to eat. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here because I'm preventing having a heart attack. So please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world.
This video is made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags, available in Amazon right now. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.